Hey guys, so I was out here doing my favorite thing in the entire world, which is planting my garden. And we have a cool season garden, and let me turn around the camera. So I have some rows here, and I actually keep a good about 2 feet of leaves on our gardens, and then I rake them away. That doesn't look like much over there, but all that stuff is kind of doing a leaf compost. But you got to get down past the compost to the good dirt. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm planting in the cool seeding garden in March in Cincinnati, Ohio. So hi, thank you. This is Charlie. Charlie's kind of wanting to be in the camera and in the way. Please, 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 those are my seeds, buddy. Okay, so I've got some Scarlet Nantes carrots, and those are like pretty old, but I'm gonna go ahead and plant them anyways. I found these and I found these, so I'm gonna plant them and see how they do. Some golden ball turnips, a little bit older than I would like, but we'll see. I've got some carrots here. I got those Danver Hasselongs last year. Some more carrots. Let's see. Parsnips are amazing, actually. Kind of cool to plant. And then I've got endive. I think I've got a few of these, so I'm going to plant some endive. Let's see. Kohlrabi. So I'm going to plant. This is a and Charlie's helping. This is a winter, kind of a cold weather brassica. It's like a cabbage, but it grows like a bulb. And then we've got a rainbow blend here of beets. Those are always great. And then I got some leftover peas. We planted some. My favorite thing, honestly, is to plant lettuce, but I don't have very much lettuce right now, seeds, so I have to get some more. But I wanted to kind of get a jump on it. I think I got a few peas left in there, and a few more beets. So, oh yeah, and spinach. So what I do is I actually plant. So what I do is each row is probably going to get 2 or 3 kinds of seeds. So they're going to get, like, I've got the turnips and the carrots are going to be in a row, and I probably would plant like spinach. So the spinach comes up, grows, I can cut the spinach, and then the carrots take a lot longer, and the turnips will grow around the carrots. So I found a lot of people like to do like rows of one vegetable. That's fine, do your thing. But I found that when I mix my especially the cold weather things with lettuce, like lettuce really likes to grow up with carrots, like it really does. So sometimes this whole thing will be filled with just green lettuce. So I gotta go get some maybe some black Simpson, some leaf lettuce. My favorite thing is just leaf lettuce because it grows so quick. I get a lot of cuttings off of it. So I'm very excited about that. So we're probably gonna maybe head to Grant's greenhouse and get some lettuce seeds. I like the mucilin mix because then you get all kinds of great power packed nutrients, and we just come out here. And my favorite thing, honestly, guys, at the probably like mid-April through June, is like every day coming out and just like clipping lettuce and then giving bags of lettuce to my neighbors. So that's what I look forward to kind of most for the spring, is coming out here and picking the lettuce every day, because it's like one of those things that grows real quick, and it's the biggest bang for your buck and the most exciting thing. So here we're gonna say hi to Charlie. What are you doing, Charlie? You in my rows there? Huh? Charlie's here this weekend with us. Okay, so that's what we're doing, planting up. The rest of the yard and garden just look very wintry, like not much going on. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, that bucket's there, that plastic's there, can't wait for spring to spring and see everything green again. So I'm ready. I love winter. I actually love when all the trees start losing their leaves, but then there comes this itch, right, where you're just kind of like, okay, it's time to be green again. And it's so cool, the cycles that God takes us through, right? So like sometimes, and then spring is just like, okay, I'm ready for the heat, and then you're done with the heat and you're ready I like to live in the 4 seasons. The 4 seasons, like spring, winter, fall and summer. So I'm glad that we have that here in Ohio. All right, be blessed, guys.